Be honest. Have you ever looked around and thought, I can't believe I'm starting over at this age?
Yeah, I felt like I missed the boat when it came to digital opportunities, but the truth is, a lot of us are just getting started.
Here's the thing no one tells you. Starting over in your 40s or 50s isn't a failure. It's a freaking power move.
Exactly, we're not clueless. We've just been busy raising families, building careers, surviving life. But now we've got experience on our side.
When I left my 9 to 5 after a health scare, I had no clue how to make money online. But I gave myself permission to be a beginner again.
And that's where it starts. Learn one skill. Pick one income stream. For me, it was affiliate marketing. For others, it's digital products or even using AI tools like this podcast.
Midlife isn't the end, it's the real beginning. Because now you've got clarity, focus, and nothing to prove to anyone.
Plus, you're not starting from scratch. You're starting from experience.
If this resonates with you, hit that subscribe button. We drop weekly episodes helping midlifers like you build digital freedom from home.
You're not behind. You're right on time. We'll see you in the next episode.